its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release, but Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
All right, so as you can see, I have my kits to put up this barrage for my raised bed. Got that much more sturdy. All right, and there, my plywood there, and we're ready to go. All right, so been a while since the update, but just wanted to share with us that I got some tools to redo my raised bed garden. And what I mean by redo, I'm referring to the fencing part, just to keep the animals at bay. And all right, that's it. So I hoped that was helpful, the video. Again, I have no experience. If you are new to this channel, you may have missed my first testimony when I first moved here into the country by faith, and my first time experience doing the gardening and so forth. So everything's a first time for me. We know better, we do better, right? So hope you are blessed. And if you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, and share, because they say sharing is caring. And be sure to hit the notification bell button to be informed of any new upcoming videos. All right, so bye for now. God bless.
Get right with God, His pardon is free. Get right with God, He's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take Him, O sinner.